If you're on a fitness journey, it can be difficult to find snacks that are high protein, low calorie, easy to make, and affordable. Of course, there are protein bars, but sometimes we just don't have them on hand or we want something different, and they can be pretty expensive. So in this video, I have 3 snack ideas that'll fit perfectly into your healthy lifestyle, all containing 5 ingredients or less. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making 3 high protein, low calorie snacks. These all have less than 300 calories each and contain 5 ingredients or less, meaning they're easy to make and affordable. So if you're excited to see me make these recipes, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes twice a week. And with that, let's get started. So the first recipe is gonna be a little mini charcuterie board. Now don't come for me, this isn't gonna look like the boards that you see on Instagram or TikTok, but we're working with what we have. So the first thing you're gonna do is add crackers. You can add really whatever you have on hand, but I decided to use these garlic, parmesan, and herb crackers. They are 140 calories per 30 grams. Another good option would be pretzel crisps. And the next thing you're gonna do is add your protein. So I'm vegetarian. I use this vegan turkey by the brand Yves, but of course you can kind of add whatever you have on hand. You can add regular meat if that's your vibe. It's pretty versatile, but this is pretty high in protein. For 4 slices, so 33 grams, it's 50 calories and 8 grams of protein. Now you're gonna add your cheese. So I just added some low-fat mozzarella cheese and cut it into cubes. And then lastly, you're gonna add your veggies. So I just added some baby carrots. But of course, add whatever you have on hand and what you prefer. And then you're done. This next recipe is also so simple and easy to make, and that is pancake in a mug. So first you're gonna grab your protein pancake and waffle mix. You can kind of use whatever you have on hand, but of course I'm using PEScience home-style buttermilk protein pancake and waffle mix. So this is actually brand new. You can get it on the online store. Please use my discount code FIT15 if you do. This stuff is honestly delicious. It's the best protein pancake mix I've ever tasted. So you're gonna add some of this to a mug. And then you're gonna pour in some cold water and mix it together. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the mug to get all the pancake mix into the batter. It's gonna make a weird noise, but yeah, I just have to make sure it's evenly mixed. So once that's mixed all together, you're gonna add in your mix-ins. I decided to add some mini chocolate chips, would highly recommend this. And then you're gonna microwave it for 1 minute. You might need to microwave it for a bit more or a bit less, depending on your microwave. Maybe check after 45 seconds. It also depends on the consistency you want, if you want it to be more gooey or more cakey. And I decided to add a little bit of light whipped cream on top. And now you're done and you can dig in. Super simple and easy. Sadly, we are almost at the end of the video with our last recipe, and that is the protein cheesecake dip. So in your little bowl or ramekin, you're gonna add some protein powder. I used PEScience, of course. This is the strawberry cheesecake flavor. I wanted to give it that authentic cheesecake taste, but of course you could just use vanilla if you don't have this on hand. This is a whey casein blend. This recipe will work with just whey, but if you want to purchase PEScience, of course, please use my discount code FIT15. Next, you're gonna add some fat-free vanilla pudding mix. So I just use the Jell-O brand. You should be able to find this at most grocery stores. This really enhances the flavor. Add in some nonfat Greek yogurt. And then add in your light cream cheese. I actually put it in the microwave for like 15 to 20 seconds before mixing it in. I just use Philadelphia. This one is the light one. It has 41% less calories than regular cream cheese. Lastly, add in some vanilla extract. Now you're gonna mix that all together. I really should have mixed this in a separate bowl and then added it into the ramekin, but I just wanted it to be as simple and as easy as possible with the least amount of dishes, so I just did it the lazy way. So once that's all combined to the best of your ability, you're pretty much done. I just decided to add a little bit of graham cracker crumbs on the top for a nice finishing touch, but of course this is completely optional. And then you're done, and you can eat it with a spoon. Or pair it with your dippers of choice. I just used some golden Oreos and removed the filling. You can also use animal crackers or graham crackers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you did like these recipes, then I'm sure you're looking for simple one bowl recipes, so I'm gonna link a couple of other videos on the screen that you should watch next. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.